Good morning, students. Today we will start lesson number 6 and the chapter name is Metal and Non-Metal. So on the basis of their general properties, elements are often divided into two classes. One is metal and the another one is non-metal. So more than 115 elements. How much? That is 115 elements are known today, and out of these 24 are non-metal, 24 are non-metal, and rest most are metals. So now we will start with general properties of metals. So what are the general properties of metal? Metal have a luster known as metallic luster. Metal having a shining surface, and that shining surface is called a metallic luster. So this coins has a shining surface, and this shining surface are called luster. So first property of metals are metal have a shining surface, or we can say metal have a luster, that is known as a metallic luster. Next general property of metal is metal have high tensile strength. Tensile strength means that metal have a ability to bear heavy loads. That means they have a high tensile strength. So in this case, in this diagram, metal ropes are used in ropeways for transporting heavy loads. So these are metal ropes and this is ropeway, and ropeway are used for transporting heavy loads. So here metal have a high tensile strength that it can bear a heavy loads. Not all metals are hard and strong. There are exceptional cases. If we see sodium or potassium, so sodium or potassium are soft solid which can be cut with knife. So these are the exceptional cases. All the metals are solid and hard, but exceptional cases are sodium and potassium. They are soft and they can be cut with knife. Other exceptional cases, mercury. So mercury is a liquid under ordinary condition. So this is a mercury, and it is in liquid state under normal condition. So these all are the exceptionals that metal are hard, but some metal like sodium, potassium and mercury are in liquid state in ordinary condition, and sodium and potassium can easily cut with a knife. Next property is metal are sonorous. Sonorous means producing sound. So when stuck, they produce a sound that is called a metallic clink. So when metal stuck with another substance, then they produce a sound that is called a metallic clink. Next property is metals generally have high density. Exception cases are potassium, sodium, magnesium, aluminium have comparatively low density and they are light. That's why potassium, sodium are floating over the water because their density is less than water. Next property is metal have high melting and boiling points, but there are exceptional cases. Potassium, sodium, tin, lead have comparatively low melting point but quite high boiling point. So these potassium and sodium, we know that these are the soft metal. So their melting point is low but boiling point is quite high. Next property is metal are malleable. Malleable means the property in which metals are beaten or rolled into thin sheets or drawn into thin sheets. Metal are drawn into thin sheets. So this is the thin sheets. So this is the property that metals are malleable. Next property is metals are ductile. Ductile means they are flexible and they can be drawn into wires. So metal are converted into wires. That process is called ductile. So here this is the metal are drawn into wires. Can you draw a wire from a piece of wood or coal? No, because wood and coal are brittle, means easily breakable, not flexible. Next property is metal are good conductor of heat and electricity. So that means they allow heat to pass through them easily, and due to this property we use metal utensils. We use metal utensils because metal are good conductor of heat. It can easily pass a heat, and it is a good conductor of electricity because it is allowing an electric current through them easily. And this is the reason that electricity is transmitted from one point to another through metal wires like copper or aluminium. So at home or the domestic fuse, you have seen that in the domestic fuse copper wire is used. So the metal are good conductor of heat and electricity. So these all are the properties of metal.